Handling after-sales requests, but struggling when orders aren't synced automatically? Now, with BigSeller's manual after-sales order feature, you can easily create after-sales cases yourself, anytime, for any order. No more waiting for syncs or system limits. Full control, faster resolutions. Let's see how it works. First, you need to go Order Module, Manual After-Sales page. Here we can create 3 kinds of after-sales orders. And these are the process. In this video, we will take return and refund orders as an example. Step 1. Create an after-sales order. Click Create, and you need to select the order. Then you need to choose the after-sales type. Here you can add return tracking no, reasons, notes, and receiving warehouse. Step 2. Confirm orders and process stock in return. After creation, you can go to confirm page to do confirm or confirm and stock in. If you choose the former, you can check your orders and confirm return page. If you choose later, you can check your orders and received return page. Step 3. Create refund order. After returned items are stocked in, you need to go Received Return List and select Orders to create refund orders. Here you need to fill in basic info, and then you can go Refund Processing List to check. Step 4. Confirm or reject. You need to go to After Sales Refund page to process the refund. You can either choose to confirm refund or to reject the application. This is the whole process. It's very simple, right? Try it now. If you have any questions, please contact us.